Welcome back to our production line. Today, we're diving into another crucial step of engine assembly, the installation of the rotor housing. The process begins with the precise placement of the chamber bearings and circular seals. Technicians inspect each component carefully to ensure flawless quality. Once the inspection is complete, technicians will put the parts are positioned into the automatic press machine for assembly. This advanced machine applies consistent pressure to achieve a perfect fit, ensuring that each connection can withstand high levels of operational stress. Next, the sealing gasket is placed on the engine chamber. This step requires great attention to ensure a perfect fit, preventing any potential leaks. Following this, the rotor housing is aligned carefully with the engine chamber. The technician applies a special red thread locking agent to each bolt's tail. The bolts are then inserted and preliminarily tightened by hand. The final precision tightening is completed by an automated machine on the assembly line. Every step ensures the stability and efficiency of the engine's power system. Stay tuned for more behind-the-scenes insights into our generator manufacturing process.